Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the piano on Rust. First, you will need to obtain a wheelbarrow piano, which can be crafted using 100 metal fragments and 200 wood. While the instrument pack DLC is necessary for crafting, you might also find or loot instruments in the game. Once you have your piano, simply press the R key to enter instrument play mode. This transforms your keyboard into a musical interface, allowing you to play notes using the numpad keys 1 through 7, following a basic C scale. To expand your musical range, the numpad offers more than just basic notes. Pressing the numpad plus key simultaneously with a number will produce a sharp note. Additionally, the numpad enter key will lower your notes by 1 full octave. The standard keyboard layout for instruments extends from the shift key to the backslash key, providing access to 2 complete octaves. For optimal playability, consider remapping these keys within Rust's control settings to suit your personal preference and allow for two-handed playing. Consistent practice will help you master the layout. For a more authentic musical experience, Rust supports external MIDI controllers. Begin by connecting your MIDI-capable device, such as a digital piano or keyboard, to your computer using a USB cable. Next, navigate to Rust's in-game options menu and enable the MIDI input setting to activate controller support. If you wish to play pre-recorded songs, download MIDI files and place them into a newly created instruments folder located in your Rust game directory. Then, use the console command instruments. Play a recording followed by the file name to play your chosen MIDI song automatically. To truly master music in Rust, explore the variety of instruments available, as each possesses a distinct sound and note range. If you are using MIDI files, sometimes they contain multiple instrument tracks. Editing these to a single track can significantly improve the in-game sound quality. For convenience, you can bind your favorite MIDI songs to specific keys using console commands, allowing for instant playback. Remember, consistent practice is key to refining your musical timing and enhancing your overall performance within the world of Rust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.